Hi guys, I'm Cody Jay and welcome back to another mini swatch video. Today we're going to be swatching the iconic Bloodlust palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So if you guys would like to watch me swatch all 18 of these beautiful shades, keep on watching. Okay, real quick before we get to swatching, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up down below, and of course click that subscribe button to join my YouTube family. I of course have full-length regular videos on my channel as well as these newer swatch videos, but other than that, let's get started. So this is the Bloodlust palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It has a beautiful purple kind of velvet texture going on. It's got the little latch on the bottom because of course it has to be extra. Opening this bad boy up, this is what she looks like. There are 18 gorgeous shades in this palette. Now as I apply these shadows, I'm going to be reading all the names, so just take a quick moment to look over the shade names, and now let's get started. Alright, starting off we have Your Majesty, Take the Crown, Deviant, Beauty Sleep, Wet Jewel, and Royal Pain. Next up we have Dungeon, Scandal Water, and Sworn Enemy. Alright guys, just as a quick refresher, we just swatched the first 9 shadows, and now we're moving on to these next 9. Alrighty, we have Pink Magic. Wow. We have Bleeding Heart. And we have Executioner. Dang, that's intense. Wow, that's intense. Alright, we have High King, Vivid Mood, and Monarchy. Now last but not least, we have Blood Queen, we have Vile Serpent, and we have Betrayal. Stunning. Alrighty guys, that is all 18 of these beautiful eyeshadows from the Bloodlust palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. If you guys enjoyed today's little mini swatch video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below. Click that big red subscribe button so you can join my YouTube family. Turn on my YouTube video post notifications by clicking that bell icon and switching it to all. And I thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next one.